This video is sponsored by Value Testers, where all prices are negotiable. Best online store for Fieldpiece, Bacharach, and Tester equipment. Special free 2-day shipping available on selected seasonal products. Link in description below. Good morning, guys. It's May 6, 2019. This is where I got a call for a customer of mine. They said, he took a shower and he moved a little lever to back the tub to drain it out, and he heard something snap, and now it won't go to shower or tub. So I'm thinking it's a Symmons valve with a little diverter down the bottom. Probably got a plastic insert in there instead of a brass one that broke. That's what I'm thinking. So we'll go over there and we'll see. But I'm not 100% sure about that. He said he can't use a shower tub right now, so he wants me to go by there and fix it so he can shower, he said. So we're on our way. We're on our way. Steve is working again, y'all. He says this is what it is, so that's a new style.
What you been up to? Anything exciting?
Yeah, same old stuff.
Yeah.
Is this a newer valve?
Yeah, you just, it's not even 2 years old, this thing.
Yeah, I can tell by the newer plate.
Yeah.
I did this, I put this in there?
You did.
The repair flange and all that? Yeah, so that's still intact. No, it's a brass one in there. Unless the insert broke. It's definitely a brass one. You sure that's what the problem was, huh?
Well, I heard something, I heard a little, and I can't move.
Yeah.
I can't move it from tub to shower, so.
It's upside down. I wonder why it went upside down. Yeah, that piece is upside down. Must have broken there or something. I'll pull it out. That's odd that they broke like that. Huh? Well, it's kind of odd. You know what it might be? This thing might be broken. I think this is the problem. It's this handle.
Mm-hmm.
This thing is upside down. See, this is the problem.
Whatever. Make it.
Here we go. Look at, see?
Yeah.
See it?
Yep.
It unscrewed. That's kind of odd. It cracked. See it?
I heard a little, like I said, and it sounded like plastic. It did not sound like metal. Just a little, Is there any way to replace it with all metal, or no?
I'm gonna put a new insert, and then I'll put a new diverter around. I got all the parts right here.
You don't need to get back here.
Nope. No diverter arm.
Took it all apart for you.
You did?
Yeah.
And I'll put in a new insert while I'm here. When I took it out, it was upside down. That piece was upside down, and there's no way you could flip it upside down with the handle in here because it only can go so far.
Right.
So I knew that there was an issue.
Yep. Houses are worse than boats.
Why do you think? Why do you say that?
I'm joking. It's just, you know, there's always something to fix on a boat. So it's just, you know. It's life, as they say.
That was upside down when I took it out. And it's not that old, couple of years. I mean, they're making all this shit in China now.
Yeah, that's what.
No, actually, this isn't made in China. This is made in America. This is a Symmons.
You can't get them all brass, huh?
Well, it is all brass.
Yeah, but the part that broke isn't it?
No, it's white metal. But I don't see them break too often like that. I don't replace a lot of these.
Right.
I really don't, and it's moving freely.
Yeah.
So
You know what it could have been?
yeah, it's a freak thing, guy.
It could have been the lady that cleans my house got confused one day and tried to jam it in the wrong direction. I don't know.
I doubt that.
It's just a freak thing.
I think it was just one of those freak things. It just happens. Sometimes things break. I mean, it can be brand new when they break, right?
Yeah.
I don't replace a lot of those.
Right.
Then bottom diverters, I do replace a lot of those, but while I was in there, I changed it. Kind of an odd one. Yeah, so I think if I remember, I put this in.
Yeah, oh, you did. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did all this. Because we didn't, I didn't have access to it here, so we cut this panel back here out.
Oh, we did?
Yeah. Built the house when all this was exposed, because,
Well, it's just an odd,
yeah.
an odd thing to happen.
That's life.
It's good. Easy.
I like easy.
Yeah, you can see it's cracked right there.
Oh, maybe clean out the closet a little.
That was upside down. That was like that when I came here. That was like that. It should have been this way. That belongs like that in there. It only can go so far.
Right.
When I came, it was upside down.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah.
So I knew that it was probably the handle.
Yep.
It's kind of an odd thing to break like that. But like I said, things happen.
Yeah.
I'm gonna replace the white diverter too. Replace this too.
Oh, I see what you did. Oh, it's Jesus. Just.
You see how it broke right there, right at the connection?
Yeah.
I mean, like I said, I don't replace a lot of them. I mean, that's a freak thing. Alright guys, just left that job. It's not too often that I replace those diverter levers. It's not too often that they crack like that and break. Very rare that I see that happen. So, I change a lot of, diverter spindles on the inside, the white part, or sometimes that little brass mechanism. It looks like a little triangle piece. A lot of times that thing's plastic, them will crack. Like I said, not too often that happens. And I do work on a ton of those Symmons valves. I mean, they keep me busy, them suckers.